In the previous tutorial, we see how we can name the variable with Python syntax. But there are certain keywords that are reserved, and Python will throw an invalid syntax error if you use these keywords to name variables. For example, the for, while, if, def, import, class are reserved keywords. If we name our variables using these keywords, Python will throw an error, as in the two examples below. Here is the list of Python keywords. From the W3 schools, we use the keyword class. To define a class, we use the keyword def. To define a function, we use the keyword for. To create a for loop, we use the keyword if. To make a conditional statement, we use the keyword import. To import a module, we use the keyword in. To check if a value is present in a list or tuple, we use the keyword while. To create a while loop,